right, hopefully everyone has finished up their germ research project. If not, you need to get that turned in today. Tomorrow we are going to have just a short test. There are 11 questions, they're multiple choice. I'm just going to quickly kind of do a quick review, and then we'll continue to practice some more after we're finished with the first one. Okay. Types of organisms that are single cell. So we're talking about organisms that are prokaryotes and they're only made of one cell. If I said bacteria or fish, which one of those are single cell?
Bacteria.
Bacteria, pretty simple. Bacterial cells, when we look at them growing, there was a video where they had like looked like a black screen, and then they put the antibiotic on some of it and then included the bacterial cells. What did they call that as it grows across that? What did they say that bacteria was growing across? Was it a colony or a lawn, or was it pigments?
Pigments.
No. Colonies. We did a worksheet on that, remember? Okay. Colonies or lawns. Two types of prokaryotes. First off, prokaryotes, one cell or multicellular? One cell. So if I give you an example of, if I said, tell me two types of prokaryotes, would you choose prokaryotes and fungi or bacteria and archaea? Bacteria and archaea would be correct, because prokaryote, you can't say a prokaryote is a type of prokaryote. That wouldn't make any sense. Who can tell me anything about extremophiles? What kind of organisms are they? But what kind of conditions do they live in?
Cold.
Yeah, so conditions that most anything else would not be able to survive in. That's where extremophiles. They can live in extreme heat, extreme cold, those conditions where most things would not be able to survive. What is the job of flagella? What do they do? You had the picture, and it has the little tail, the little on the end of it. So what's the job of that flagella?
Don't they allow for like movement?
They very good, Michael. They allow for movement. Yes. What are the pili then used for? There was a picture, somebody said it kind of looked like a woolly worm, and it had like that little black, the little things poking out to the side. What are those pili used for? Are they used to crawl and exchange genetic information, or to fight?
Right.
Did I say anything about bacteria fighting with each other? And I did not. It's used to crawl on surfaces and exchange genetic material. Remember that conjugation where they just stick their genetic material into something else? What are all cells surrounded by? What surrounds all cells? Cell membrane, correct. Antibiotics, what are they used for?
To help get rid of bacteria.
To kill bacteria. What is an unintended side effect of that antibiotic? What does it sometimes kill?
The good bacteria.
The good bacteria, very good. Binary fission, is that an example of sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction. What is that process called where I said the pili actually do it when a bacteria comes in contact with another bacteria? How can they also exchange that genetic material? What's that process called? I just said it not 3 minutes ago. Where they inject their genetic material from one thing to another. Called conjugation. Only patients who absolutely need antibiotics are giving them, or doctors give them to them. Why are only those people that actually need them? Why are they the only ones that receive them?
Because they don't want the bacteria to be coming into it.
Exactly. They don't want that bacteria to continue to be able to evolve so that the antibiotics no longer work. All right, those are the 11 questions. We'll continue to go over those. I just wanted to get the short video so the people at home